So good morning, everyone. It's Megan from A Seasonal Abode. And this morning, I hope to plant out my cool hardy flowers in one of my raised beds in my potager. So I'm going to be taking you along for that process. And then afterwards, I'm going to show you some of the varieties that I start in the February, March here in Canada in Zone 6A. And I plant out the first week of April. So these are plants that can handle even some negative temperatures. They are annual plants. But they can't handle our Canadian winters here. But they can handle temperatures. I think the one that can handle the least amount of cold can handle -4 Celsius. So if you're new to growing cut flowers and you want to extend your season here in Canada, you don't have greenhouses, cool hardy annuals are the way to go. So I'm excited to share these cool hardy flowers with you, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. So let's do some planting. So surprise, surprise, I ran out of room in the first bed. I'm pretty sure that's a problem with every gardener. First, we plant too many seeds, and then we underestimate the amount of room we actually will have in our gardening beds. So here I am, thinking that all my cool hardy annuals would be fitting into one bed. So we're going on to 2. We have 3 varieties planted, so that's good. So far I've planted some Feverfew, the variety Rio. And then after that, planted the first time this year, stock. I've never planted stock before. I do know that stock, you get 1 flower per plant. So I had a lot of plants of stock. I did the Iron Apricot variety, and that took up, I would say, like 3/4 of the 4x8 bed. And then at the end, I put 8 plantings of Bachelor Buttons. So in the meantime, I have planted 4 rows of Madame Bronze Snapdragons. And these have already been pinched. This is my first succession planting. I have another succession in the house, but it's going to be in the house for a little bit longer. It's only like a few centimeters tall right now. So that's it for my cool hardy plantings. I hope you enjoyed this video. You'll consider subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.